الله على النبي الكريم محمد وآله وصحبه أجمعين. If the arithmetic relation of numbers are distinctive to each other, which is called tabayun, then the whole of one may be multiplied in the whole of the other, and the result of that may be multiplied in the whole of the third one, and then its result may be multiplied in the whole of the fourth one. And in the same way will become the tasheeh of masala, and then we will give the shares to the hairs. So now the case is like this. Zayd passed away and he left behind 2 wives, 6 grandmothers, 10 daughters, and 7 uncles. Now here the wife is the sharer. The grandmothers, they are the sharers. The daughters are the sharers. The uncles are the residue. They are not the sharers. Now, when the deceased has children, so how much the wife will take? Say 1/8. The grandmother will take 1/6, and the daughter will take 2/3. Huh? So, how much will the denominator?
24.
24, yes. So the denominator will be 24. Now, the 2 wives will take 3. The 6 grandmothers will take 4. The 10 daughters will take 16. How much remain? 1. It will go to the uncles. Now, what is the relation, the arithmetic relation of 2 and 3? Tabayun. What? Arithmetic relation of 3 and 2 is? Because neither it can divide that, not it can divide it, not a third number can divide both. So that is what? The tabayun. Yes? Distinctiveness. Tabayun means? Distinctiveness. So you will hold the 2. The number? 2. What is the relation between 6 and 4? Tawafuq bin nisf. Because 2 is the common digit or the common number which can divide the 4 and can divide the 6 as well. So now tawafuq bin nisf. So you will take half of the number of this. So 3 multiplied by 2? 6. Here, the relation between 10 and 16 once again. Tawafuq bin nisf. Yes, because there is no any other smaller digit or number which can divide these 2. The only 2 is the common one. So here from these heads a number which is 10, you will take 5. So how much? 30. Now, what's the tabayun? So the whole number you will. How much?
210.
Huh?
210.
Let me do it here. So that will be easy. 2, 3, 6, 5, 30, 7. That's okay?
Yes.
Yes.
My maths is okay now?
MashaAllah.
Okay, that's good. So 210. So you will bring this 210, not the free will, the digit. Yes?
5,040.
Done?
Yes.
That is?
Yes.
Now, this 210 is called what? The madroob. What? The madroob. Here the shares are 3. So multiplied by 210 is equal to
630.
630.
30.
4 multiplied by 210.
840.
840. 16 multiplied by 210.
3240.
3360.
Yeah, 30.
Yes?
Yes.
And multiplied by 210. So 210. Now here there are 2. So each one will take
315.
huh?
315.
315.
15.
Here at 40.
With.
Huh?
Yes,
That is. So how much each one will take?
140.
Huh? 140.
Yes.
Here.
336.
Huh? 336. Here.
30.
Huh?
30.
30. Each one will take this much. Now, to find out whether the thing is okay or not, so 210, 3360, 840, 630.
Yes.
Got it? And Zayd went to Jannah. وصلى الله تعالى على خير خلقه